Welcome to the Remica manufacturing plant, covering over 130,000 square meters, located in Longyan City, China. This is our Decor paper warehouse. And here is the Kraft paper storage area. We operate 6 impregnating lines, where resin coating is carried out with strict quality control. Organized for fast and efficient production. Kept in controlled conditions to ensure stable colors. Our robotic loading system keeps production stable and efficient. Here are our 5 high-pressure press lines, providing strong and consistent pressure for high-quality laminates. Next is precise HPL sizing, where each sheet is cut to exact dimensions. Then, backside sanding to improve bonding during installation, followed by protective film lamination, keeping every sheet clean and scratch-free. And this is our finished goods warehouse, with over 1,000 designs in stock for fast worldwide shipment. Quality, service, and reliable support for your long-term growth.